Okay, today we are going to do an unboxing of a GTC-313, which is a Wi-Fi camera. Inside the box there is a CD which comes with the manual and also a printed manual. Inside the manual there will be some instruction on where to download the handphone apps and how to set up. So it's very easy to set up. Inside the box there is a Wi-Fi camera, a Wi-Fi camera stand, power adapter, LAN cable, some screw and extension, wire extension, and screwdriver. Okay. So we're going to set up the camera. You will need a power source for the camera. Okay, let the power on. Next, you on the apps, the GTC apps. And set up the Wi-Fi for your phone. You key in the Wi-Fi password. And you scan your Wi-Fi camera to your handphone. You scan it until there's a beep sound on your handphone. Okay, next you go to the camera list and add the camera. Now you refer to the CD. You can name your camera, anything. Let's say Tech 1, and the ID you refer to the ID on the CD 005194144, and the password is 2024, and just press OK. And that's it, your camera is being set up. So it's very simple to set up and you can do it yourself at home. Thank you.